when everybody says additions, more living space,
Right.
additional bedrooms, bathrooms, and yes, there is a demand for that. But the first thing we try to do is look at the home and say, okay, if we were to start this floor plan from scratch, what would you do? And in a lot of the homes, they'd say, well, there's no really good room to entertain in.
Yeah.
I got this front living room, I have the front foyer, and we just don't use these rooms because they're too small, so let's put an addition on. So I kind of sit back and I go, well, what if we could take out the load-bearing wall, get rid of the fireplace that's very inefficient and just not proportioned, take the foyer and open it up? Would that make your lifestyle better?
Yeah, and we can actually, I think Alex has some pictures, our director has some pictures.
Yeah,
there.
so this one where obviously this is the finished product, but when you walked in before, it was a narrow foyer, 5 by 8 with a closet. And basically, we were able to totally open up, redo the stairs, go ahead and put hardwoods in, and open up that foyer. So that allowed, when you walk in the door, it's just an open foyer versus a small foyer.
Right.
And then this large room was actually 2 rooms. Basically, if you look at the center of that coffee table, actually where the ceiling fan is, that ceiling fan is actually mounted to a steel beam.
Wow.
Yeah, we actually had it welded in place. So this was the home that just didn't function for the lifestyle of gathering and entertaining. So we were able to go ahead and put a steel beam in, so you didn't see a big drop down in the middle where, like, okay, there was a wall here. So we went ahead and did that, and you could see the foyer in the background, and that basically opened up this whole entire room to living space. And yep, another shot of it. Basically, however they want to rearrange their furniture, no matter what they do, they have ample room for that. And then if you look at this elevation, the where the TV is, the actual fireplace was about a foot or 2 to the right. So obviously we got rid of the fireplace. We didn't need it. It was inefficient. Put a large entertainment center, aesthetically pleasing. Of course, the big screen TV. All the components are hidden in the cabinet, so there's no components out, and just a great entertaining room. So in this situation, we didn't need to put an addition on because, Donna, when we put an addition on a house, today's regulations are just very, very, very challenging. So, of course, yes, we can do it, but this is an instance where we went ahead and were able to be more cost effective, stay in the footprint, redesign, common sense approach.
And because of all that, and a lot of people don't realize that they do have the room within their house, as long as they can reconfigure,
Yes.
they may have all the room for all the things they want. And that's why
Yes.
it's so important to get a design build company like yours and somebody who can come in with the creativity to look at the space you have and see if you can reallocate it.
Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.